Teacher.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Hi, John. How old are you?
I'm 6.
6. How are you today, John?
Happy.
Yay! Are you ready for the speaking test? Yes, give me this ball. Boom. Alright, John, look at this. Tell me, what is it? It's an...
Umbrella.
Good. It's a hat. Good. Next, what are you wearing? I'm wearing...
Jeans.
Say, I'm wearing jeans. I'm
I'm
wearing
wearing
jeans.
jeans.
Next, I'm wearing...
Boots.
Good. I'm wearing...
Dress.
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 Good. I'm wearing
Teacher.
I'm wearing
Shirt.
shirt. Alright, John. Good job. How's the weather? It's
Sunny.
it's
Windy.
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 Okay, good. It's snow.
Snowing.
It's
Windy.
rainy.
Windy.
Rainy. Yay! Good job. Okay, how are you?
Hungry.
I'm sleepy.
Sleepy.
I'm
Happy.
Yay! Okay, what says ja ja
The teacher.
ja ja
The rock.
Yes, great job. Ja 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 juice. Say it, ja ja juice.
The blues.
Okay, good. Very nice. Next, rock rock
Rock. Ready.
rocket
Ready.
rocket.
Rocket.
Good. Okay, next, rock rock
Red.
rice.
Rush.
Good. Okay. Done. Okay. Look. Say the command. Take off.
Turn off the light.
Take off
Turn off
your what's this? Take off your shoes.
the shoe.
Next. Put umbrella
Put
in your
bag.
good. Next. Put on your what's this, John? Put on your hat.
Put on the hat.
Okay, next, zip up
Zip.
your jacket.
Second.
Okay, zip up your jacket. Okay, John, what's this? Look at this. What's that? What's that? Clouds. Okay, next. Rain.
Windy.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Next. What's this? Tree.
Tree.
Next, what's this? River.
River.
Good. Next.